Most people think getting rich in a poor country is impossible unless you leave, but that is not true. The real secret is not your country first, it is your strategy. And one small shift can change everything. Stay with me, because near the end, I will show you the trap that keeps smart, hardworking people stuck for years even when they earn more. Number one, stop chasing rich and start chasing cash flow. If you ask most people how to get rich, they talk about a big salary, a lucky break, or moving abroad. But wealth usually starts with cash flow. That means money coming in again and again. If you earn $300 once, that helps. If you build a system that brings $300 every month, that changes your life. Think of two people. One gets a one-time payment for selling an old phone. Another teaches English online to two students every week. The second person is building something better. Rich starts when income becomes repeatable. Number two, use the local cost advantage like a weapon. In a poor country, many things are cheaper. Rent may be lower, food may be cheaper, transport may cost less. That sounds like a disadvantage because incomes are lower too, but if you earn even a little from higher paying markets or valuable local skills, your lower living costs can help you save and invest faster. Imagine someone earns $500 a month from remote freelance work while living in a place where basic living costs are much lower than in New York or Los Angeles. That money may feel small in the USA, but locally it can create real progress. That gap matters. Number three, learn one skill that people pay for fast.
Do not try to learn everything. Pick one skill that solves a problem. Businesses pay for solutions, not effort. Writing, video editing, bookkeeping, social media management, sales, coding, design, and tutoring are all examples. Let us say you learn basic video editing. A local business may need short ads. A coach may need YouTube clips. A small brand may need product videos. One skill can open many doors. You do not need to be the best in the world. You need to be useful to the right people. Number four, sell to pain, not to pride. This is where beginners get stuck. They want to sell what sounds impressive, but money flows faster when you solve painful problems. People pay quickly to save time, get customers, fix mistakes, reduce stress, or make more money. For example, I make pretty logos. Sounds nice. I help restaurants get more customers with better menus and promo videos. Sounds valuable. One is a talent, the other is a business offer. Rich people learn this difference early. Number five, start tiny but start visible. A lot of people stay broke because they keep preparing forever. They take courses, watch videos, make plans, then do nothing public. But nobody can pay you if nobody knows you exist. Post your work, message local businesses, offer a free sample to one serious client. Build a simple page showing what you do. Even a basic before and after example can help. A beginner with proof often beats a talented person with no proof. A student who edits 3 sample reels for local gyms may get his first client faster than someone who spends 6 months getting ready. Number 6, turn one customer into many customers. The first sale matters, but the second and third sale matter more. Real wealth starts when one customer leads to repeat work, referrals, and a stronger reputation. If you help one small shop improve their Facebook page and they get more messages from customers, ask for a review. Then use that proof to approach 5 more shops. One success story can become your sales machine. That is how small beginnings grow into steady income. Number 7. Do not copy the spending habits of broke people. This part hurts, but it matters. In many poor countries, the pressure to look successful is huge. Nice phone, fancy clothes, expensive weddings, constant eating out, but fake rich keeps people actually poor. The truth is simple. Money you show off cannot invest for you. Money you save can. A person earning $400 a month who saves and builds a side income may become stronger over time than someone earning $700 a month who spends everything trying to look important. Number 8. Save your first emergency fund before you invest big. Many beginners hear invest, 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 and rush in too early. But if one medical bill, repair, or family emergency wipes you out, your plan falls apart. First, build a small emergency fund. Even 1 month of basic expenses is a strong start. That fund protects your future self. It stops panic. It keeps you from selling assets at the worst time. Wealth is not only built by growth, it is also protected by stability. Number 9. Build a second income before you need it. The best time to build another income stream is before your main income fails. This is one of the biggest differences between people who stay stuck and people who rise up.
Maybe you have a job. Good. Keep it, but build something on the side. Teach online on weekends, sell digital services, help businesses with marketing, offer bookkeeping, create educational content. Start small. One extra $100 a month may not sound exciting, but it can become your safety net, your investment fuel, or your future business. Number 10. Use the internet to escape local income limits. You may live in a poor area, but the internet lets you serve people outside your street, your city, and sometimes your country. This matters because your local market may not pay enough for your skills. A math tutor can teach online. A designer can work for foreign clients. A writer can sell services worldwide. A local language speaker can become a translator. The internet does not guarantee success, but it removes one huge wall. Geography matters less when value travels through a screen. Number 11. Learn basic money rules most people never learn. You do not need complex finance first. You need the basics. Spend less than you earn. Avoid bad debt. Save before lifestyle upgrades. Buy assets when possible. Keep learning skills that raise income. Example, if your income goes up by 20% and your spending goes up by 25%, you are not winning. But if income rises and spending stays almost the same, that gap becomes power. Small gaps build big futures. Number 12. Invest in assets, not only effort. Working hard is important, but effort alone does not make people rich. Assets help. An asset is something that can pay you later. That could be savings, a business, a useful skill, content that brings leads, or investments that grow over time.
A person who saves money and buys tools for a small service business is buying an asset. A person who creates a YouTube channel that attracts customers is building an asset. A person who keeps spending everything is building nothing. Number 13. Protect your reputation like money. In poor countries, trust is currency. One honest deal can bring 5 more. One bad move can close doors for years. Be reliable, deliver on time, communicate clearly, keep your word. Many people chase fast money and lose long money, but the person who becomes known as honest, skilled, and dependable becomes rare. Rare people get paid more. Number 14. Be patient enough to look boring. This may be the hardest lesson. Real wealth often looks boring in the beginning. Repeating simple habits, saving, learning, selling, improving, reinvesting, not showing off, not quitting too early. A person may look behind for 2 years, then suddenly look unstoppable in year 3. But it was not sudden, it was hidden work. Quiet discipline compounds. Number 15. Avoid the trap that keeps people poor forever. Here is the trap I mentioned at the start. Many people increase income a little, then increase lifestyle immediately. They never build a gap. No gap means no savings. No savings means no assets. No assets means no freedom. That is why some hardworking people stay stuck for 10 years. Not because they are lazy, because every upgrade in income disappears into bigger spending. The way out is simple, but not easy. Every time income rises, keep part of that increase, lock it away, use it to build something that can pay you later. You do not need to leave your country to change your financial future. You need a skill people value, a system that creates repeat income, and the discipline to keep a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That is how ordinary people start building extraordinary lives, even in hard places. So tell me this, if you had to start with just one move today, would it be learning a skill, starting a side income, or cutting your spending first?